what's going on, guys? In this video we're going to be installing a cold air intake onto my Ford Raptor. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Alright, so as you can see, I went with the Spectre because I really wanted the polished chrome. You can always get the K&N or whatever you want, but I went with this one. So let's go ahead and just install it. Alright, we just got done installing the cold air intake, so let's go ahead and see what it sounds like. Alright, so as you guys can tell, it doesn't make the world's biggest difference, but whenever I was driving, I definitely felt some better throttle response. You can definitely hear that cold air intake sucking in some more air. So anyways, I hope y'all liked the video, and stay tuned for more. Comment down below what you would like to see, and I'll see you again. Do you guys actually think we're gonna end the video like that? Let's go ahead and do what Raptor's really meant for. Now that's how we get it done here.